60 days. When this video is published this week, that's what's left in 2022. Tick tock, tick tock. Whether you are looking to finish the year strong or wanting to set yourself up for success in 2023, now is the time to act. And I have got 6 steps for you to follow that will make both possible. I call it the ultimate success formula, and I'm happy to share it with you today. Let's go. Hey, this is Syed Mohsin. I'm a residential real estate broker, team owner, and founder here at Real Estate Sales Machine Academy. If this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe below to get the insights on how to grow your real estate business. So here we go with the 6 steps. Step number 1, know exactly what you want. Tim Ferriss once said, life punishes the vague wish and rewards the specific ask. He is right, you know, which means if you want to finish 2022 strong, you can't just say, I want to finish strong. Instead, you need to define a specific detail what that means to you. It's time to get crystal clear about what you want to achieve over the next 60 days, whatever it is. It might be a certain number of closed transactions. It might be a revenue dollar figure. It might be amount of listing appointments. But here is what I know. It's time to get super clear and post it for all to see. I should be able to walk into your office and immediately see that you are working toward a goal that's up and visual. So what is it that you want to accomplish in the next 60 days? Step number 2, reset your motivation. Here in late October, you may be in completely different state of mind than you were when you established your goals in 2022. Which means it's time to reset your why, the ambition behind your work. What's motivating you today? Or for some, the opposite question might spur you into action. What are you no longer willing to stand for? Give it some thought and get clear on why you are working so hard every day. You need that inspiration to dominate the next 60 days. Which, don't fool yourself, it really isn't 60 days, but I will touch on that later. Step 3, create a simple plan. In a 60-day sprint, you don't need a complex strategy to follow. Instead, you want to create a simple plan that reverse engineers whatever you said you want to accomplish in step 1 to figure out how you will achieve it. Basically, that's the plan to achieve your goal. If you want 24 more listing appointments, how many calls do you need to make daily to reach that goal? And on that note, don't be shy about calling homeowners right now. During the last 24 months, housing prices have increased substantially, and many homeowners are eager to learn how much their home is worth in today's economy. Open up the conversation, connect and inform people and ask them, with rates going up as fast as this, what are your plans for this home over the next 3, 4, or 5 years? Step 4, track and measure your progress. If you really want to accomplish something, make it obvious to the world. Get it up and visual so everyone sees exactly where you are headed and how much progress you have made. In other words, get some sort of scoreboard for your year-end goal to keep you focused on the tasks required to get there. You will gain momentum and feel that emotional rush every time you cross off your to-do list or add another accomplishment on your board. Do not discount this step. Step number 5, increase your accountability. If you set a goal and keep it to yourself, how much is it really on the line? But if you set a goal and tell it to your kids, you will take the whole family to Disney World if you achieve it. Suddenly you have built a whole lot more accountability into the equation. Believe me, your kids will ask you every day what you are doing to achieve that goal. Use that added accountability as inspiration. Whether it's your coach, your broker or manager or fellow agent, a trusted friend, your family or significant other, find someone to confide in and hold you accountable to your goals. Step number 6, schedule it now. Now is the time to get everything on your calendar for the next 60 days. Start with all the time you plan to take off over weekends and holidays for the rest of the year, then block out time for all your normal routines. The phone prospecting sessions, hours of power, the team meetings, time spent working on your business. Suddenly you will notice that there is nowhere near 60 days left in the year, which will provide extra urgency for you to get into action and start creating results. Remember, if it's not in your calendar, it does not exist and it will not get completed. What's the next step for you? Are you going to watch this video and move on with your day, or are you committed to putting these 6 steps into action and finishing the year strong? Let me know in the comments below. And if you find this content useful, as usual, like and follow my page and check out my other videos for more insights to growing your real estate business.